Welcome back, everybody. It's RV Trav at Arcan Trailer in Carstairs, Alberta. It's Montana Monday, and today we're taking our first look into a 2022 Montana High Country. This is the 331 RL, one of the more popular floor plans in the last couple years. A few updates for the 2022 model year we'll go over looking through the unit. A couple nice touches on the exterior is an updated graphics package where we've redesigned the front cap. And the exterior sidewall graphics looks a little more sharp this year, gone to a little bit of a lighter color as well. On top of the unit, we're going to have a 200 watt solar panel as a standard option on all Montanas moving forward. Actually, that's going to be something on all lines from Keystone, so a great initiative promoting greener and cleaner energy. That said, let's jump on into it. There's lots to see. With the 331, Keystone are painting our caps in-house. We have 6 layers of paint on our front caps there, 3 layers of base, 3 layers of clear coat. So we're going to hold our color and shine for years to come. Talking the longevity of the product, still going to be looking sharp way down the line. We're still using our Road Armor pin box up front and the Road Armor suspension in between the axles. And as we're making our way down, we'll have the 2 awnings on this floor plan, giving you just shy of 30 feet of coverage. Both awnings have that LED strip running the whole length, doing a phenomenal job of illuminating out front of the RV in the evening hours. As we're making our way down, we do have 4-point electric auto level on this coach, as well as a massive pass-through storage on the basement. Montana's getting that extra large storage from doing the drop frame design just below, but we do have access for power, cable, and on the far side of the unit, Montana's full wet well. That said, we got lots to see inside, so let's jump on in. All right, so this is a rear living style floor plan. Of course, right as we're coming into the RV, we're gonna have a large coffee bar along the front wall, and just over my left shoulder is our 13 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator. So lots of perishable storage in there for you, especially if you're doing some extended trips. As we move into the kitchen space, cook space, we'll have our 3-burner cooktop just behind me with the 30-inch microwave above. Bit of counter space on both sides, some power outlets. And then one mention is we have updated our kitchen backsplash this year to a herringbone style backsplash from a traditional plank style we've seen in previous years. Just an update to the aesthetics inside. You may also notice we've updated all of our handles throughout the coach to a black fixture instead of a bronzed fixture that we've seen again in previous years. We do still have our beautiful center island, 60-40 split sinks there, lots of storage below, and a full bank of drawers. We do, of course, have these solid surface covers for your sinks, so you can utilize this island for prep space, maybe having a bar set up on the long weekend, whatever you want to do there. Just to my left here, we do have a great sized pantry, lots of storage in there. You may have noticed there is a motion sensor light in the top as well, so if you do have full hands when you're coming in to load everything up, you're not fumbling around reaching for that light switch. Towards the entertainment center in the back side, the High Country lineup has updated to a 50-inch HD TV in all floor plans. Previous years we may have seen a 40-inch in place of a 50, so they've just upgraded that to a 50-inch across the board. We'll still have the fireplace below, which is about a 4800 BTU electrical heat source, and you can pair that with the heat pump in our primary air conditioner, which is going to give you around 22,000 BTUs of electrical heat, which is great for taking the chill off in the spring and in the fall, and helps save you a little bit of propane as well. Now, across the back wall is our tri-fold hide-to-bed sofa. When you have this folded out, it goes to 70 by 76 sleeping surface, so just shy of a king-size dimension, so your guests, family, friends are going to be rather comfortable if they are coming out and spending a couple days. Across from our entertainment center, we do have the Thomas Paine powered recliners here. Simple push of a button to kick those back, but a very comfortable area to sit down and watch a movie on a rainy afternoon. As we're making our way up towards the dinette area, I do want to point out as well, we've updated our slide fascias in the High Country line this year. And in the update, the idea was to hide all of our brad nails that we've seen in, of course, all RVs in previous years. So it's a much cleaner aesthetic where we'll have any brad nails hidden behind these faceplates here. So over time, going to look a whole lot sharper. Our dinette table has gone to a legless dinette this year. It's fixed along the wall side. So when you're sliding in, you don't have to worry about bashing your knees on that pedestal that's been hanging out in the middle. And just below the dinette, we've also updated our PVC woven floor from previous years to more of a diamond etched in pattern there. So it just looks a little bit cleaner, just complements some of the other decor in the RV. Now we'll head up front here and take a look at some of the other areas. As we are coming upstairs, a couple mentions. We do have central vacuum on the stairs, so great access to keep it clean in the RV. You'll also notice throughout the living space and up into the master bedroom, we have gone carpetless, less the PVC flooring underneath the dinette, so it is very easy to clean up in the high countries. We do have a small coat closet here and our control panel just above that as you're coming in the door, so a great spot to hang up some jackets or sweatshirts. And then we'll make our way towards our bathroom. With this particular floor plan, we have a beautiful dual vanity bathroom here, which is going to provide some great storage. We'll have a fair linen closet just behind the door, and of course our 4-foot by 2.5-foot one-piece fiberglass shower with the skylight in there as well to give you a little extra headroom if you are a taller person there. Porcelain foot flush toilet, of course, heat ducted in the bathroom, and we will have the MaxxAir fan just above to help with some of the moisture and stuff over there. All right, so as we make our way into the master bedroom, a couple updates this year. We'll of course have the king size bed on the slide out, but just behind that we've updated our headboard this year, again with a nice kind of diamond woven pattern in there. We've also updated our previous pillow side shelves, raised those up a little bit higher so no one's bumping their head on that in the evening hours. Also gives us a wider shelf applicable for CPAPs, maybe if you want to have a glass of water, water bottle, anything along those lines. Lots of storage. There is power and some USBs on the far side as well for mobile devices or anything like that. Just behind me is our smeared closet doors here, where we have lots of hanging space, some overhead shelving, great area for shoes on the bottom, whatever you may need. And then our washer dryer prep closet just over my left shoulder, which if you're not using the washer and dryer machines, of course, is just another great closet storage area. Lastly, at the foot of the bed, we will have a 4-drawer dresser with 2 large drawers on the bottom and 2 smaller drawers up on the top side here. So this has been our 2022 Montana High Country 331 RL. Once again, I'm RV Travel at Arcan Trailer in Carstairs, Alberta. If you have any questions, just give us a call or send us a message. But thank you for your time. We look forward to hearing from you soon.